Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to my thoughts and review on the new Tarte palette right here. This is the Unleashed palette and it's, I believe, their summer launch. So if you're excited to see my thoughts on what this palette and a quick eye tutorial, go ahead, stay tuned. We're going to get right to the video. Okay, first I want to go through the swatches. These are the swatches right here. This is Swan Song, Oh Dear, Hypocritical, Bare Necessities, Qualified, Two Can Do It, No Fox Given, Iguana Love You, Irrelevant, Totally, Your Lion, Monkey Business, Camouflage, Awkward, and Party Animal. Okay, really quick, I want to talk about the packaging and everything. It does have like that, we all had those folders growing up. I mean, I did, and it's got the, it's like a vinyl. So it's super fun, so it'll be very easy to clean. The back is like a reflective pink. I kind of like it. I would have been happy with just all pink. There are 15 shades in here. You do get a nice fun plastic. I really like those plastics. It keeps my mirror clean and I use the mirror. It has a very big full-size mirror here and there is the 15 shades and I did swatch them all. They all have kind of like a fun play on the animal name but sounds like something else. So I like it. It's cute. I originally was not going to pick this up because when I seen it like on Trend Mood I was like, meh. It's just another colorful palette. I was walking through Ulta grabbing a concealer and I literally stopped, almost tripped over my feet because it was right there as I was walking past it. I almost fell in the middle of the store. I stopped, I looked, and then I touched it and I was like, oh. Tarte's formula is really nice, but I wasn't gonna grab it. But like I said, I almost fell in the middle of the store because I stopped that fast and almost stumbled over my own feet. But anyways, I want to get into a eyeshadow look. I have been playing with this all week. I have tried all of the shadows at this time on my eye, and I have a lot of thoughts on it. I know it's not new, but I mean, it's new to me. It's kind of new to the season. I think it's been out for a couple weeks now. It's really early, and yeah, it's really early. I'm still drinking coffee with my collagen, yes. I kind of want to do something a little bit fun because it is the 4th of July week, so I do want to see and test out maybe an eye look I might do for the holiday. So I'm going to try a new look today. I am going to go in with a fluffy brush here, and I'm going to start in this shade right here, and that's Oh Dear. They're so cute. I will say there is a little bit of kick up if you are familiar with the formula. So just, it's not a lot of kick up, I mean, but there is kick up. So I just wanted to warn you. This palette, I seen it and I was like, oh, that's a lot of color. I don't like a lot of color like that. But when I seen it and then I swatched the whole thing in store, I was like, oh, this is basically neutral, but it has for me, very wearable pops of color. And I have created such fun looks. I did an orange look. I did like a mini tutorial on Instagram. I'll leave my handle down here in case you didn't see it. You can go check that out. That was a lot of fun. But the pigment is definitely there. It is buildable and it blends super easy. I also have not found a brush that it doesn't blend well with either. Next, I'm going to take a flat shadow brush right here, and I'm going to go into the color right next to it. It's Hypocritical right here. I love the names. It's so cute. And I'm just going to pat this on the very center of my lid today. I've also done this all over the lid and then that same crease shade and just called it a day. Beautiful. You know, I am going in dry. This does add quite a punch if you use your finger or if you use it wet. I just kind of want a little bit of shimmer. I don't want too much as of yet. Then with a smaller shadow brush right here, it's kind of a little bit of a detailed brush. I'm going to dip down here. This is Your Lion. Love the names. I think I would have loved to been at the table with coffee coming up with these names. I mean, it's just so cute. And I'm going to pack this on the first third of my eye. This might be my favorite color in the whole palette. I don't know what it is. It's rose gold, pretty much. I mean, does Kelly have that color? Absolutely, probably on her time. But that's probably why I like it, because it's everywhere. I love that color. Anyways. Oh my goodness. All right. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy, detailed brush. I clean my brushes. And I'm going to go into Iguana Love You right here. Now, this is like a maroon shimmer, but I find if I go in and really work with a color, I can almost mute the shimmeriness, if that makes sense. But I'm just going to use this to pat on the outer edge here, just on the lid. I'm not carrying this up like I usually do. I just want this pretty much an ombre look. You know, pretty much how I do. But I really, really like this. And then I'm gonna clean it off here. And then I'm going to, I need to just get a fourth of these brushes. I love it. And then I'm going to go into, do I want Camouflage? I'm going to go into Camouflage down here. I believe, well, I guess that's Camouflage, not Camouflage. I just caught that one. It's Camel. Like the ones that spit. Oh, I really want in on this. Like, this table talk. This would have been fantastic. Fantastic coffee date. Anyways, I'm going to take this and very low in my natural crease, just kind of almost over top the first two shades. I don't take this all the way in, but I do want to just kind of make them seem like they're seamless, give a little bit more definition into my crease. I have a very busy shirt on. I'm not trying to go too busy with my eye look today. So, and I haven't decided, do I want the blue on the underneath? I don't know that I do, but I might do something a little fun down there, but this is just very pinky and kind of, I don't like red on me as far as red shadows, but it's kind of along that line. With a blue shirt, this would be really cute. I might have to do laundry and wear this again this week. Okay, I'm really happy with that. With the brush I did the crease, I am just going to take this in once over, just zoom right over. So that just kind of blended everything in together. I really love this look. I like it. So what do we do on the bottom lashes? I mean, really, do I go with the blue? I don't think I can go with a blue. I don't think I have... I'm a little nervous about doing that. We are going out today, so I will try that on a day that I stay home, but I am going to go in with kind of a big angled fluffy brush. I like this one for underneath my eye quite a bit. And I'm going to go into the crease shade that we used up here, Oh Dear. And I'm going to take that on the lower lash line. It's very kind of mauve-y, but on the pinky side of mauve. And I really love this palette. I saw it on trend mode and I was like, no. It didn't wow me at all. Kind of blend that. I don't like a harsh edge, so. All right, let's do something with the brow bone. I'm going to take that Swan Song. It's a very white shade. I haven't decided if it's a matte white or if it's like a pearly white. It depends on where I put it and how much I pack on. It seems versatile, I'll say. So I am going to kind of dust that on my brow bone area. I really, really love it. Love it there. I'm going to take the same color and I'm going to go on the inner corner too. This is where I can see it being a little pearly, is when it's on the center of my lid, or center of my eye. Just a little bit around the tear duct as well. Really, really, really love it. Okay, I'm going to zoom through this eye, put some mascara on, and then I will be right back. Alright, I did go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Never Fail eyeliner in brown right here on my top waterline as well as my top lash line. And then I did, for the lower lash line, I went in with this Mally eyeshadow stick in Dusty Rose. I don't know if you guys have tried these, but they're fantastic as liners as well. So I wanted something neutral but kind of like pinky, and I don't have something like that. So it's on my list to kind of maybe see if I can try and find an eyeliner like that. If you have one, let me know. I thought like a pinky eyeliner would be kind of cute, like a dusty. Anyways, give me your thoughts down below. Anyways, I know I promised something kind of fun to kind of amp it up. This is a very everyday wearable look, although I think it still is pretty festive. It kind of plays with the red kind of the holiday with the blue shirt. I mean, it's pretty festive. It's festive for me. Anyways, I'm going to zoom you in because this is just kind of something fun I do occasionally. Okay, I'm as close as I can get without sliding backwards. So, anyways, I'm going to go in with the Flower Beauty Warrior Glitter Shadow. I have this in the shade Poison right here. It's like a bluish purple. I love these. Anyways, it has like a triangle little dude right here, and very carefully I will paint my eyelashes, the lower lashes only. I don't do the top ones just because I'm a contact wearer and I'm just really nervous that glitter would fall in my eye. So I don't do the top ones. But this is just something a little bit fun to do with these liquid shadows too, instead of having to go out and find a fun mascara. But I think the effect on this, it's really cool. It's subtle, but once in a while when the light hits the glitter, it is a lot of fun. My daughter actually figured this one out. She was trying to put a shadow under her eye and she accidentally got it on her eyelashes, and I was like, well, that's actually really cool. So I've been doing it and I like it. But there's something a little bit fun. I did the blue, so I'm a little bit festive. Alright, I'm going to zoom you out and give you some final thoughts. I will have all of the makeup I used listed down below as always, but let's talk about this palette here. I have worn all of these shades on my eyes, as I said earlier. I think I said it earlier, or at least I thought I wanted to mention it. I have used every single shade in this palette. I like it. I have not been excited about a Tarte palette. It's been a year or more. Maybe even, I mean, honestly, it's been more. I'm trying to think when Shelby got married. It's been a minute. They keep releasing things and I was like, and I was able to pass over it, you know, and I seen this and I was on trend mood and again, and like I said, I literally almost fell in the middle of Ulta because I grabbed my concealer and I was walking to the checkout and I stopped so fast. I was like, whoa, what is this? So this was $39. You did get 15 shades in here, and the pan size is very big. You also get a sample size of the Big Ego mascara that I believe this is new too. I have to say, the packaging, I like it. The packaging is cute. The actual palette itself is very durable. I actually really like the pan shapes of these. I know that's kind of silly, but I think it's very elegant with the gold background, the very cutesy names. I love everything. It does have a scent too. Is that chocolate or vanilla? I mean, it's in a lot of their palettes. I do notice. I don't have fallout. I do tap my brush off. There is a little bit of kick up in pan, but I feel like the shadows in here are very similar to the other palettes that I have from them. And again, I have not been excited about a Tarte palette in so long, and I almost passed this up. If I would not have gotten the concealer when this was on display, I would not have gotten this palette. I'm really, really happy that I do have this palette. Would I recommend this to you? If you're someone that likes a little bit of color, but maybe not every day, if you're somebody that doesn't have a lot of these shadows, I mean, yes, you have these blues that seem to be in everything, and then these oranges, and almost, it's a burnt orange. I've worn this. This is beautiful on the eyes. In like red tones, warm tones, they scare me, but it's pretty mauvey here in the T. You get these really pretty shimmers. This is almost like a seafoam green. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. The effect on the eye when you build this up is amazing. In the blues, I've worn the blues. Check my Instagram. I'm not sure if I've uploaded the pictures yet. I'm not sure. Well, yeah, you guys are seeing this on Friday, so I'm not sure if the pictures are up yet, but I have used the blues. The whole palette is so good. I love this kind of lighter brown, but I love this darker brown. You know, there's so many good options to deepen it. It's everyday wearable. I mean, these two shades right here are absolutely beautiful. Just pop on the eyes. Oh, yes. Yes. If you don't have these shades, I think this is absolutely something I would recommend picking up. It's only $39. I love this palette. I'm very happy that I have it. It is going to sit on my favorites basket here up front. But let me know, did you guys end up picking this up? Did you pass it over? Did you have the same thoughts I did? Tell me your thoughts down below. Or what exciting summer release palette did you find this year? I would love it if you guys subscribed and find me on my other socials. Start a conversation. Let's have a great time here on the internet, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!